Ooh, stop running! Take my super snowball! Ooh.
Yay! I hit Shawn! Shawn, is it delicious?
Well, cool. More sugar will be better though.
New task!
Hi guys! The Alps in Swiss are a paradise for skiers. Every winter, many skiers come here to enjoy the view and go skiing. Now go have fun! Bye!
Guys, there's no task. Let's play!
Yay! Let's go over there.
But the snow there is so thick. How can we get there?
Like this.
Or skiing. Carl is afraid of skiing. Oh no. Help!
Oh, here I am. Watch me.
I'm coming. Carl, step on it. Step on it. And what's next? Hey. I don't know how to brake. Thanks. Carl, I'll teach you how to ski. Yahoo!
Yahoo!
Carl knows how to ski.